So far, we are done with the introductions of Python, introduction to instructor, and overall the introduction to the course, right? Now let's get started. A lot of introductions are done, installations are done, so let's get to work now, right? So in this module, we are going to talk about the basics of Python. And the most basic element of the Python is the variable. Now, what is a variable? As the name suggests, anything which is variable, which is changeable, is called variable. Now, variables are used to store data. What do we mean by that? Let's try to relate it with human brain. The most important component of a human brain is memory, where we store the data of our daily routine. Now, data is usually stored in different manners, in different types. For example, we store statistical data, where I can store, let's say, how much, what is my date of birth? That is a data in terms of in terms of numbers. What is my age? That is the data in terms of numbers. What's my name? That is the data in terms of and some English characters. How does my father look like? That is the data in terms of some graphical representation, right? So every data will be stored in my mind by utilizing different amount of space inside the memory, right? Same principle goes out with Python as well. Since we have to store data in order to use it later on, so that Python can remember what was the value of the previous value of the variable, what is the updated value of the variable, and so on and so forth. And variables can be of different types, just like variables can be of numeric type, where I can store just my age. This kind of variable might not need much space. But what if I have to store a long string? I have to store a long paragraph of a textbook. Now I need more space than the space I needed for my age. What if I have to store some pictures? What if I have to store videos? Now, for every data type, I need different amount of space. So in order to allocate space inside the memory of Python, we have to define for every variable that which kind of variable it is. Either it is going to be a numerical variable, floating point variable, string, list, or whatever. Now, what are these names? Where to use which data type? We are going to learn inside this module. So I'll see you in this module, where we are going to learn the basic arithmetic operations as well, the logical operations as well, how to convert one data type to another data type as well. And finally, we have a mini assignment as well by the end of this section.